and traders, Mark from Trading Market Technicals bringing you the Beast Weekly newsletter for Tuesday, February 17th. Hope everybody's enjoying the long weekend. Quick admin note, I think we all know that equity markets are closed for President's Day tomorrow on Monday. Futures are open a half a day along with Forex opening, not closing at all. So just make that note, and I would not run the Beast at all tomorrow. I mentioned that a couple times in the trading room. And if you are not in the trading room, you want to send me an email, and I will send you login information. As we all know, it's for free for the subs. Anyway, want to get into what happened on Friday, and actually the last couple of trading days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, was just terrible price action. Take a look at a 5-minute chart of the S. This is not the price action that you're looking for. It doesn't matter whether you're long and or short, you're getting stopped out. I mean, it just doesn't matter here. We break down. We rip up to the upside with 3 candles. We run right back down again. You rip up. You run back down again. Same thing. You consolidate for a little bit. You go down to the top of the channel. You try to rally, and out of the blue, it was just the strangest thing. They just hit them really hard, and then they rally them into new intraday highs. That is insane price action. And if you're discretionary trading, you're trading on your own, you're still getting stopped out. It's just terrible price action. Terrible, guys. Has nothing to do with your trading system, the trading system. You're having a hard time, and it's the way it is. What happens is, let's go to a daily chart. You could see that volatility expands when you're at the upper end of the range, right? Remember, this was the previous high. Now we had this high here. So we're in this symmetrical triangle, and volatility starts to expand. You can see that in the average true range, right? Volatility increasing. So what's going to happen, I've mentioned many times in the morning call newsletter, that it's ready. Price is ready to vacate the premises, whether it be down and or up. We don't know yet. Symmetrical triangles usually continue the trend. So in this case, this is higher. And sure enough, look what happened. We took out the highs 2 days ago, and now we're making new highs. My price target is 2100. I've been saying that for the last 7 months into 2014. If we take 2100 out, I believe 2135, 2150 will be the next upside target. Is it crazy? Sure it is. Coming from 2009, you look at a monthly chart. The monthly chart actually looks very, very scary. And let me see if I can still get that up here on the data. Looks very, very scary because you're literally have gone up with no consolidation, or I should say some sort of a decent correction. Now here it is. Here's 2009 lows. I mean, this is just absolutely insane here. Now if you look at it, we haven't had an 8 to 10 or 15% correction in 4 years, 5 years. So it's a scary thing just rolling right up here like this. Now, obviously, we all know this is Fed-induced, and that means that it really is immaterial here that the markets are going higher because of free money. Eventually, it's going to have to be paid back, and eventually the markets will understand that and start to sell off. Now, as technical traders and system traders, it really doesn't matter. As long as whatever price is, we're going to stick to the same side of price until it doesn't work, right? We're trend traders. So when the market continues to move higher, we're going to start looking for pullbacks, and that's what the Beast does. It stays on the side of the trend. Now, when we get this choppiness, obviously we all get hurt. It's just nothing you can do about it unless you shut it off for the day or you don't trade as well. I always like to continue to trade because eventually the system catches up and then starts making money again. It doesn't matter if it's a day-to-day. Remember, we get paid by the month. So we have a good 2 weeks left of trading, and I do suspect that we should get some follow-through. Now, if we get back to the daily chart, if we come in, and I suspect that we would come in a little bit. We're not just going to run up. We might tag 2100. It's only 8 points away. We might hit 2100 and stick around there for a day or two, and then back test this upper trend line, which is now support. And if we make that higher low, let's say from this area here to this previous low, that's a good sign that we're going to go to 2135, 2150. So just keep that in mind, okay? Any questions, comments, guys, please feel free to email us both. We are here for you, as you know, and we hope that you enjoy the rest of your weekend and looking forward for Tuesday. See you in the trading room, everybody. Take care.